everyone's favorite, Veg Hakka Noodles. Everyone thinks it's difficult. I teach you an easy way. I'll teach you a trick to make your noodles aldente. I've taken 1 liter of water. When the water is boiling, let's add a few drops of oil in it. Let's add some salt as a seasoning. The oil which we added makes the noodles not sticky. The water is starting to boil. Now I will add the noodles into it. Allow it to boil for 5 minutes. I have drained the water now. To stop the cooking, we will add cold water. Noodles is aldente. Come on, let's complete the dish. I have to stir fry the vegetables. I have taken a wok or a kadai. First we will add 2 tablespoons of oil inside the kadai. The oil is hot now. Let's add the ginger into it. In goes the garlic. The raw smell of ginger and garlic smell is gone. Now let's add chili. Now it's time to add the onions. Let's saute the onions until they are golden brown. Now it's time to add julienne cut carrots. Let's add beans into it now. Now it's time to add sliced mushroom. Add some salt. Then goes 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Now we are adding 1 spoon of green chili sauce. Now in goes half red chili sauce. The vegetables are perfectly cooked. Now let's add the noodles in. Always add the soya sauce at the end. Now let's toss it gently. Now the noodles is done. Now let's garnish it with some coriander. Yummy Veg Hakka Noodles is ready. Like, share and subscribe to Tadka Kids. See you again with more delicious recipes.